How to enable auto answer for incoming calls when you have your watch connected to your phone or simply just the watch itself. All right, let's get started. This is the Apple Watch Series 9, also would be the same for Series 7 and 8. So in order to get to these settings, press down on the crown once while in the clock face view mode here. And you'll see all these icons. You'll look for the settings option right here. And as you enter into that, you'll see all the settings of your Apple Watch. Go down now to the accessibility settings. All right, so this is part of the accessibility here. Tap on that one time. And from here now, I want you to keep going down until you see the auto answer. So just go down, and it's to the bottom section. And there you go, auto answer calls. All right, so as you enter here, this might be enabled at default, so you might want to pay attention to that here. You can choose to turn it off by tapping on the switch here, but if you want it on here now, and let's say you don't want it to just be 3 seconds. Okay, so at default, it's going to be 3 seconds before it automatically answers the call here. You can tap on the plus here. That's going to increase the time. Okay, so as I tap it, you'll notice how the green becomes it increases the bar here, and pay attention to the seconds there. So when I press it, it's now 7 seconds, 8 seconds. Notice the number right here. And you can adjust this at any given time here. But if you don't want it at all, just turn it off. And that's where you would go for these settings. Like and sub.